Hello dear friend, this is Rakesh here. You are welcome to Resolve for You. In today's tutorial, we will download and learn about a very useful, one of the best screenshot and screen annotation tool. It's very useful for your work and in your office and for professional and for home purpose. You can use it. It's a very handy and very lightweighted software. So we will download it and we will use and we will annotate on the screens. Nowadays, every week I want to introduce you a very useful open source and free softwares which are very useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's jump into Resolve for You. Hello dear friend, for downloading the best open source and free screenshot and screen annotation tool, you have to come to any browser. I just open this Google browser here and I will type Flameshot. Just type, you see, first Flameshot and just click here. The first site you see here, Flameshot open source screen software. It is the one of the best screenshot software, screen annotation software. You can download it for Linux, Windows, Mac, for any system. I will just click here website, and otherwise you see here GitHub. You can download from this open source software website GitHub. Just you can click here and you can download from here the file, but I will download from there. Here just come here because it's easy to download from here. You see, this is the website of Flameshot software. You can see here the interface will be like this. Free and open source screenshot software. Flameshot is a free and open source cross-platform tool to take screenshot with many built-in features to save you time, and it's a very handy, very powerful software. I used a light shot before that, but when I came to know this, now I am using this. I also use share X for our advanced tasks, but it can do most of tasks. You can blur you can highlight. Now I just click. You can just read here. It's a very good, very reputed. Here you can download installer. Actually, if you have Windows, you can just download installer and portables. Here if you have Mac version, you can download. Just you can click here. Here you see, click there. You can click the Mac or Linux. Here if you want Mac, you can Linux. Here you can download. Here you will just click here, download installer. For Windows 10 and 11, I will just click here. You see, now it's downloading. Once the file is downloaded, just click here. It's a very light, you see, very light weighted software, and here you can click and just you will open. It will start working actually in this way. You see, no next because I have already, you see here, install, but you can very easily install next. Repair, you see, change, repair, remove installation. But if you have not downloaded, then you will click okay and accept everything. It will be okay. I will just cancel because I have already downloaded. Are you sure you want to cancel? Yes, because I have finished. In this way, if you download the software, it will ask you to finish. You will finish here. It will be downloaded. Downloading the software is a not very tough task. Main is our purpose. How we will use this. We want to know about this. No, we will just come here. You see, once you click like here, it will show here. You can actually here. You see here. You can click. No, our software is actually here. You see. Once you click here, it will come like this. You can see here mouse, here select screen mouse. You can, with mouse you can select a certain area where you want to take a screenshot. Control plus S, it's to save the file. If you, this is actually the Windows shortcut key, you know. Control plus C, copy it to a clipboard and you can paste anywhere. Control plus mouse will change the tool size. You can just mouse up and down. You will, when just rotate mouse up, it will change the size, tool size, and down it will you will do the mouse down, move down, it will change the tool size. It will decrease the tool size. Right click mouse, you can show the color picker, can change the color. Just click right. You see here, this is a color picker, our right. In this way, right, if you want to take a yellow color, it will be like yellow, like in this. You understand? You can take in this way, you can change the color. Now once again I want to show you. We just click here and it every time it will appear here. Right click and space, open side panel. When you click space, it will open the side panel. Here you see, here from here you can change the color if you want. You can change this color here. You see, in this way you will drag, it will change the color. Actually this is the color picker here. In this way, because red is the most accepted color, so we use red. In this way you can you see, this is a very handy and very easy shortcut. And if you want to escape, just click ESC on your keyboard, it will be escape. You see, now it says escape. Now I want to show you how to take a screenshot. Once again, just exist. It is existed. One click. Now we come here. You see, this is our YouTube thumbnail. I want to just want to highlight for my friend to, if I have my partner who will change here in this thumbnail, I will just I want to use for this our this tool. I will just click here. You see, Flameshot. Otherwise, its shortcut is print screen. If you click print screen, it will be start working. I just click not here and I click print screen. You see, it has appear actually. You see, it has appear. I just click once again print screen. You see, here I want to take for example this screenshot. I want to take our this YouTube thumbnail. For this our class about the DaVinci Resolve motion transition. If you want to learn DaVinci Resolve software, you can join my class. It's a very one of the best professional industry level and open totally free software, video editing software. I use this software for editing. So I come here, I want to annotate here. You see, I have selected this here with the right mouse button of the mouse. You see, with the right button of our mouse, I have selected this area. We will come here. You see, actually this is the P for shortcut is a P here. You can write anything if you want here. For example, I write here P. You can actually, this is a freehand here. This is, you see, this is a line. So this will line. If you want to line anything, you can just click and line here. For example, I want to line this point here. Actually, in this way you can line the point. Now you see, this is arrow. I want, if anything very important I want to point out with the arrow, just you can click A on your keyboard. Otherwise, just click here and you can click here arrow here. I want to show highlight. You see, in this way I can highlight here. If this is a rectangle, with rectangle you can point out the point, very important. I will use this click and I will use here motion. I will rectangle use here. You see, in this way you can make very beautiful even effect. Now C is our for this ellipse. If you want to use for highlight any point with ellipse, I will click here and I will use here ellipse. This point I want to highlight. You see, I have highlighted with ellipse here. This is actually, this is a rectangle, but this is the filled rectangle. Means you can just want to see here, you can feel like this, and you can write here also. It's not big problem. This way, if you use once start using, it will be very helpful and you will live with this software whole life. It's a very best software. You can highlight any point. You see this marker, any point I have written I want to highlight, I can just highlight here. For this point I want to highlight here. See, it's actually here it will be visible here. You see, in this way you can highlight. For example, this is a what here you can highlight. It will be visible when the color is, because I can change the color, but you can highlight. For example, you see here it's a visible. I can change the color actually. You see here with my mouse wheel I'm increasing the color. Now it will be highlight. It will, you see, in this way you can highlight here. You see, highlighting. I am highlighting this point. You see, in this way you can highlight anywhere. So it's a very handy. Now I come here. You see, you can write any text if you want to. For example, I want to try just for trial. I write here text. In this way I can write text. You can change the size actually. Once text, okay, again you see, now this is the size is bigger. In this way you can write the text. If you want to numbering, you can use this number. You see, I want to use here 1. You see, here I want to use for this here 2. You see, this is 2. At this point I want to use 3. Just for demo I am showing you. Otherwise you can do it very properly. It's a 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 point. In this way actually you can point out, you can numbering actually. One feature I like very much is a pixelate. You see here, this is pixelate. This is a shortcut is a B, and when you click here you can just pixelate. If you don't want to show any point to your friend, for example, I want to highlight, I want to hide this from here, I will just pixelate here. You see, it is not visible. For you have very important this screenshot, you want to highlight something, you don't want to show your partner, you can just pixelate in this way. And one thing is a very important, it's inverted. I like this. Invert means it will highlight with this opposite color. If you click, if you want to invert in anywhere, it will have, for example, see how it has inverted. It has actually in the here I want to invert means I want to highlight with invert. In this way I can highlight. You see, now it's a visual, so clearly visible. I want to invert here. This you see this in this way. Actually, it's one of the versatile software. When I came to know, I used 10 years light shot, but when I came to know Flameshot, it's actually far better, and it's a light shot is also good, and this is also a very good software. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These tools are very, very important. Otherwise, these are the one. It's very important. You can move actually. You just click. No, you can move anywhere. You see, it will come here. You can highlight there. You can actually here you can highlight. No, if you want to use like here you can highlight. change the, in this way. Here you can highlight. If you want to just highlight with color, yeah, I have already showed you. Mark, you can mark, for example, CRX. Here you see I have marks here. So it's a very handy. I have just here, and I can actually make hair changes. It's actually very useful software. You can move, you can undo from here, you can redo from here. Control Shift Z is the window. It's not. If you want to just click, you can just click and copy to a clipboard. Here you can save. Control S. From here you can upload the selected file. You can upload here. You can capture, choose an app to open the capture. You can choose from here any app from I use only these important tool, which is very important for me. I can take here from, you see, from here to here. I have just you can increase the size from here. This way again you can align. If you want to copy, just I will click Control C. Actually it has copied. If I want to paste in any Word file, I will come here, I will write word here. I can type. If I need a Word file, just come here, I will take new Word file and I will paste. You see I have pasted in Word file. If I want to send anyone for example, if you have Viber, WhatsApp, if you want to send to your friends or your partner, I will come here. I want to send, for example, here I can, in this way I can send. You see I have sent anyone. It's a very handy and very good software. Try it, dear friends, and I will share this in the description box, and the DaVinci Resolve course. If you want to learn DaVinci Resolve, I will also share that. If it's helpful, please subscribe the channel, because it's a very hard working, dear friend. Hello dear friend, we have just learned how to use this screen shot software. It's a very useful, very open source. It's totally free. I have just dropped the download links from there. You can download and you can use. You can join our class for DaVinci Resolve if you want to be a good video editor. Dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Your one subscription motivates me a lot to make more tutorial video for you, dear friend. When I don't see any subscription, like and comments, it actually disappoints me, dear friends. If I continue on YouTube making tutorial for you, you have to just subscribe the channel, write any suggestion, comment, and share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorials, such type of softwares. If you want to be familiar with such softwares which are very useful in your life, you can just join our channel, dear friends. Take care. Bye. We meet in the next class.